Hi guys, it's Nils for Technic News, and in this video we're having a quick look at the XGIMI Horizon Pro, a 4K projector that promises to offer 4K quality at 60 frames per second for under $2,000 US. Let's get started. So the XGIMI Horizon Pro isn't native 4K. It rocks a 0.47-inch DMD DLP chip and can offer a maximum resolution of 4K. But that with 2200 ANSI lumen and in LED technology. On the top you have a on and off button, you have a play and pause button, and you have a volume increase and volume decrease button. On the back you also have some ports. One optical port, 2 times USB 2.0. I don't know why USB 2.0 and not 3.0. That would have been way better for 4K streaming via USB. And also one HDMI 2.0 and one HDMI 2.0 with ARC. In here is a MediaTek processor that also supports dual band Wi-Fi up to Wi-Fi N, so Wi-Fi 4. I don't know why they didn't use Wi-Fi 5 or Wi-Fi 6, because Wi-Fi 4 is kinda outdated. But also USB 5.0 for audio and for connecting other devices. On the side we have speakers by Harman Kardon, 2 times 8-watt speakers. In my first use they were actually quite good. I thought I may connect other speakers, but in my first use these speakers were actually quite good. So if you just want to watch like soccer or some stuff, these are way enough. If you are a home cinema user, you may also connect your big speakers, because they aren't like made for large rooms, but in a small room like mine, they're actually quite fine. The projector runs Android TV 10.0 with 2 GB of RAM and 32 GB of storage. Android TV also means we have a Chromecast built in, which also supports Google Assistant. And one of the key features, they say, is quick boot. So now we're trying that out. Here we have the remote for the XGIMI Horizon Pro. This button opens up the projector menu. Here we have the Google Assistant, we have the normal control things and like back, home and other options. We have volume increase, volume decrease. And here we have the auto correction. So now we boot up the projector. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 seconds are needed to power up the projector and start Android TV, which is actually quite good. This is the quality in a normal lighting, like it's 1 p.m. right now and I have my lights in my room on. So for like this type of day, the quality is actually pretty good. The projector supports from 30 to 300 inches, so a very big image. And this is the basic quality. I will start up a video of me. So you see here my OnePlus Nord CE 5G review, and what I noticed in the first days of use of this projector is that 1080p videos, they look not that good for 1080p, but when you start up a 4K video, here we have a 4K video, you won't see that big of a difference because my videos are in 1080p. So the thing is that you notice that this projector was made for 4K and not for 1080p, because 1080p, I have seen better 1080p than this projector can offer, but 4K looks actually very good for 4K. So I hope you understand what I mean. So if you watch a lot of 4K videos, you're probably going to love this projector more than if you always watch 1080p stuff. Yeah, but these were just my first few thoughts of the image. For Android TV, it's quite good that the projector supports Prime Video, YouTube and that stuff. Disney Plus works if you cast it. I don't know if it works if you log in. I haven't tried that out yet. But the thing is, this projector is not Netflix certified. So if you watch a lot of Netflix, you can't. I tried logging in and all that stuff, but it just didn't work. I will reach out to XGIMI if they know if this is going to be solved in the future. But from right now, you can't watch Netflix, and that's a big downer. Yes, you can just plug in your laptop and that will work as well, of course, but I think that the biggest thing from this projector is that you have Android TV on it and you can run basically everything right on the projector and don't have to plug in extra things, as that makes the projector way more portable than other projectors. But that's it. These are my first thoughts on the XGIMI Horizon Pro. If you have any questions, just feel free to drop them down in the comments and like this video if it helped you. Thanks for watching.